Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I'm going to be unboxing Stitch Fix. Now this is my fourth or fifth Stitch Fix, and so far I am loving it. So let's get into the box. This is the way the box looks when you get it inside. And you have a return label, which the items that you do not like you can go ahead and send back. And there is the price sheet, which we'll go over in a little bit. And then we have information about each product, which I'll be showing this to you in just a little bit, and a little note from our stylist. So then it looks like this. So for those that don't know, that are new to my channel, the reason I got into Stitch Fix was that a few months ago I went back to working outside of the house. So my wardrobe was, you know, comfy, casual, and now my wardrobe is business casual. I mean, business professional. So I needed to upgrade my wardrobe. So I found Stitch Fix. I didn't have time to be going to the mall. So this is what has been working for me. So here's our little bundle. And I love the colors. Actually, they match with what I'm wearing. There's some reds, greens. I guess that's like a beige, ivory, navy, and a red. I really like that. It's really nice. Okay, so let's read what my stylist said first. Okay, hi Elizabeth. Welcome back for another fix. I watched your unboxing video and it was great. Yay, thank you, Stacy. I love seeing how the clothes fit, and it's also so much fun to put a face with the name. For this box, I stayed as close to your budget preference as possible without sacrificing style. Yes, because I mean, oh, sorry, something just fell. I'm okay with spending money on quality clothes, which is great, but at some point I kind of need to bring it down a notch after I've already got the basics. So now I'm just looking for something to enhance the basics that I already have. So let's get started with the Callie knit top. I included this shirt since you were looking for more tops to go with the pants you have. This chic top will look great with your black skinnies. To meet your request for red bottoms, I included the violets and roses ankle length trousers. For a classic look, you can pair them with the John Paul Richard white top. I love the crochet detail on this top. Since you are still looking for a loose fit skirt, try on the Max Studio skirt with the navy wrap top by Callie. I can't wait to hear about what you love, Stacy. Awesome. Well, I can't wait to see what she picked up for me. So, ooh, I like, oh my gosh, look at these red pants. I wanted something different. Actually, somebody at the office was wearing red pants and they inspired me. I said, I'm gonna get some pants. So here are the pants. All right, now this is when we bring out the price sheet. So let's see. Okay, these pants are by, Violets and Roses, and these are a size 8, and the price for this is $58. All right, they're very stretchy material, very soft. I really like the material a lot, so I can't wait to try those on. Very excited about that. Okay, next we have, what is this? Okay, this is the Callie top. All right, this is the way it looks. It's kind of like a wrap looking on the top. And then it's got a little tie right here and ruffle on the bottom. That's kind of nice. I like that. I don't have anything like this style, so this is pretty cool. So this top is a medium and it's $38. Yay, I'm liking these prices. Okay, good. Next we have this John Paul Richard blouse, and it is white, and it's nice. It's really not my style at all, but you know, I am open to trying new things, and Stacy knows that. So I'll try it on and hopefully it looks good. Let's see what this is. This is a medium and this is $44. Again, really good price. Let's look at the back. I like this lace. It's so nice. And then there's another detail right here. And then it's got like this kind of sleeve isn't really, I forgot what this is called, but elastic sleeve. But I'm not really crazy about the sleeve, but it looks really nice, so we'll try it on. Next we have this olive top. Ooh, it's pretty. Very classic, very basic. Oh no, it's not basic. It's got, okay, a one shoulder deal here. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, this is $34. I like this. And this is by Cali, I hope I'm saying it right. Cali, K-A-I-L-E-I-G-H. So it's by that brand too. I like it. It's a good material. Stretchy. Nice. Next we have our last top. Oh no, this is the skirt. That's right. This is a skirt by Mac Studio. The Lita knit skirt in red. This is a large, and this is $48. And it's got like this really wide elastic waist. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, or maybe it folds down. I don't know if it folds down, but it looks pretty cute. I think maybe it folds down like that. I'll have to ask about that. But I like the print. The print is really nice. It's different. I'm pretty sure this folds down. I like the band, and it's gonna go with the navy top. Okay, we'll try it on. All right, I'll be right back with the try on. All right, so this is the first top. This is the Calais olive medium top, again, $34, and I really like it. It's, you know, there's room. This is a medium, did I say that? And I like this nice detail. I am wearing a bra and a little camisole too, but I really like it. Pretty nice. Very comfy. I like the material a lot. I think this one I might keep. Oh, by the way, these pants are also from Stitch Fix. They're Liverpool. They came in my first box. These have been my go-to jeans for Fridays, because on Fridays we get to wear jeans. So, all right. Okay, next we have the white top with the red pants, and I actually really like their white top. It feels very fresh. I mean, this is going to be good for the summer. It's been so hot here in Texas, so I really like this. Now again, this one was $44, and this is by John Paul Richard. And then I put them on with the red pants that were all I had was a gray camisole. I couldn't find my beige one, but these fit pretty good. I like the detailing here. It's got like a little gold buckle, and they feel really soft. They feel good on. These are a size 8, so I'm super excited because I had been going from 10 and now I'm like a good 8. See, the back looks good. See that? The only thing I'm worried about is the front. Like, I don't know if the crotch area looks okay or not, because I would like to wear it with something, you know, tucked in so you could see this little detailing, but if that's going to be an issue, I could just wear a longer shirt like this one here. But let me know what you think. Do you like the white top? Do you like the red pants? Should I keep them? Also, they are ankle length, so I don't know if I can kick up my leg. So they go like right above the ankle, and they're super comfy. I really like them. Again, the pants were, let's see, how much are the pants? 58, and the top is 44. Well, here we go. Here's the navy top with the red skirt. Again, the top is by Cali, and it's $38, and the skirt is by Mac Studio, $48 in a large, and the top is a medium. So I'm not too excited about it. This is the second like skirt that Stacy sent over to me, but I don't think it's working out. I don't think it like does anything for my body. It's maybe I need a medium, but I'm just not feeling it. Maybe I'm not a flouncy skirt kind of girl. I don't know. The top, I really like the top part of the top. It shows a little bit too much boob, but the bottom part I think is like too short. Just, I don't know. Maybe I need to try it on with something else, maybe with the red pants. But I'll try that on and see if it makes a difference. This skirt does fold there, but you can't even see it, so I don't know. I'm thinking no to this skirt and to this top, but let me try it on the top with the Liverpool pants. Right, here is the navy top. I guess I don't think it's gonna work out. I'm sorry. This top, The top part feels great. The material is great. It feels like wonderful quality. This brand is new to me, like most of the brands are, but I'm just not really feeling the top. I don't think it's right for me. Okay, everyone, let's get the recap going. So to recap the red pants, let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I should keep them or not. I am on the fence about these pants. The olive top, I think the olive top is for sure. I really like it a lot. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned it at the beginning, but Stitch Fix, it's a monthly clothing subscription. You pay $25 for your stylist to curate the box for you. And that $25 credit goes to anything that you buy, whether you buy one or all pieces. But if you do buy all 5 pieces, you do get, I think, 25% off all of the clothing. So, let's see. The white blouse, I kind of like it. I think I'll do it. I think I'll keep it. I'm not 100% sure. I'm about 80% sure. So if you think I should keep it, leave a comment below and let me know. And the navy top is a no. The skirt is a no. Sorry. I'm saying sorry to Stacy because this is her second try, but 3rd time's a charm, right? Okay, so let's see what the total is. So the total for all of these items is $222. And if I bought all 5, it would be a $25 discount. And it's, so that would be subtract $55.50. So the subtotal would be $166. But I have a promo for $49. I can't remember why I have a promo. I'm not sure. Maybe somebody purchased something from my link. I don't know. That's awesome. Cool. So I do have a referral link. I'll put it down below. So I guess with the referral link, it gets me credit. So this is really awesome. So that's $49 credit and free shipping. So my order total would be $117 for all of these items. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I like that. Okay, so that's that. One other thing that I really, really love, and Stacy, just so you know, I use these like on a daily basis to help me pick out clothing. I love that they provide little cards to help you decide, like pick out different outfits with the outfit that with the staple that's given to you or that you purchase. And so I really like that. These are like go-tos for me. So anyway, I really like that. Okay, well, thank you again so much for joining me today. If you could please help me grow in my unboxing journey, be sure to subscribe and like this video. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.